In this episode, we present the fleet of Kantanka vehicles to Honourable Kennedy Agyapong through this national message of patriotism. This video is for viewers in Ghana, the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, Europe, and Africans all over the world who believe in African innovation and African-built vehicles. Before we move on to the video, I'm pleading with anyone watching to please subscribe, like the video for the algorithm of YouTube to push this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and share this video with every Ghanaian and African you know. Honourable Kennedy Agyapong is not just a politician, he is a builder of industries. He is the owner of Kencity Group, steel plants, cold stores, real estate companies, media houses, and manufacturing businesses. When people talk about private sector power in Ghana, his name is always mentioned. Today, we are presenting Kantanka vehicles to him because he represents Ghanaian enterprise and Kantanka represents Ghanaian engineering. This is not just a vehicle presentation, this is a national call for industrial unity. Honourable Kennedy Agyapong, we begin with the Kantanka K71 Pro. The K71 Pro comes with a 1.5-litre turbocharged petrol engine, which produces 156 horsepower and 230 Newton meters of torque, paired with a 6 CVT automatic transmission that gives a smooth, powerful and efficient drive. This sports utility vehicle includes a reverse camera, electronic stability program, ABS and EBD braking system, traction control, airbags, leather interior, a 10.25 touchscreen infotainment, wireless charging, cruise control, multiple drive modes which include a sport mode. Honourable Kennedy Agyapong, this vehicle is perfect for rewarding loyal staff across Kencity Group. When your best managers, engineers, or plant supervisors receive a K71 Pro, they will feel valued, respected, and motivated. You don't need to import foreign SUVs to reward excellence. You can reward excellence with a made-in-Ghana luxury SUV. This is how corporate patriotism works. The next vehicle on our list is the Kantanka Onantefo. Kantanka Onantefo means long journey, and the name matches the machine. This SUV is powered by a 2.0-litre turbocharged GDI engine delivering 165 kilowatts of power, 385 Newton meters of torque. It also comes with an 8-speed CVT transmission and comes with a top speed of about 210 kilometers per hour. The Kantanka Nant comes with an ultra high strength steel body, ESP, traction control, hill start assist, downhill assist, panoramic sunroof, premium interior, and advanced braking and safety systems. Honourable Kennedy Agyapong, this is the SUV for political movements, media appearances, international business meetings, and high-profile travel. This vehicle shows that African engineering can match global luxury. When you drive in an Onantefo, you are not just arriving in style, you are arriving with national pride. Now, we move to the backbone of industry. Let's talk about the Kantanka Omama pickup. This is the vehicle that moves Ghana's economy. The Omama is powered by a 2.5-litre turbo diesel engine, which produces 136 horsepower, 360 Newton meters of torque, 4x4 and 4x2 drive options. It comes with heavy-duty suspension, large cargo bed, hill start assist, ESC and traction control, fuel-efficient engine. It also comes with a trip recorder, a reverse camera, a reverse voice, and also a 360 panoramic view. Honourable Kennedy Agyapong, your steel plants, your cold stores, your farms, and warehouses require reliable logistics. Omama can transport steel rods, carry frozen foods, move construction materials, and supply goods nationwide. Every Omama you buy keeps foreign exchange in Ghana and creates jobs for Ghanaian technicians. The Kantanka Obrempong is the next vehicle I would like to present to you. Obrempong is built for serious cargo. It is designed for construction, manufacturing, distribution, heavy equipment transport. This is the pickup that can replace imported pickup fleets. When Ghanaian companies use Ghanaian vehicles, the economy grows from the inside. For farmers and national development, the Kantanka Boafo is a 4-wheel drive utility vehicle with 1,500 kg load capacity, hydraulic tipping system, strong rural suspension, and all-terrain performance. The Kantanka Boafo comes with a 350cc engine, has 5 forward gears, 1 reverse, and like we said, it comes with an hydraulic tipping system. This is perfect for farmers, market women, community projects, and rural development. Honourable Kennedy Agyapong, you have always supported the grassroots. Boafo allows you to do this with industrial strength. Honourable, supporting Kantanka is not about cars. It is about sovereignty, dignity, and economic independence. You are one of the very few people in Ghana who can move markets. Your support can turn Kantanka into Africa's leading automotive industry. This is your moment to make history. Now, to Honourable Kennedy Agyapong, to our brothers in America, Canada, Australia, Europe, and all Africans across the globe, if you want to reach Kantanka, kindly call us on 0242 037 429, or you can hit my personal business line on 054 746 2581 for more inquiries. Now, please subscribe. I'm pleading with you, subscribe to be a member of Kojo Studios. Remember also that today, as we speak, we have the membership monetization tool where you can subscribe to be a member of Kojo Studio, where videos that are specifically created for you would be created for you. This is a place where we can create videos for you without other people seeing it, giving you every insight. We will do everything that you want, not what we would want to put out there. What you want to see is exactly what we'll do for you. But it comes with a monthly payment of about $5.99. Please, if you are interested, join my membership channel and let me give you exclusive videos on Kantanka vehicles. Please share your thoughts in the comment section with us, and of course, share the video for others to see. Kantanka is not just any car. It is your car, it is my car, and it is our car. Thank you very much.